Yo, what's up, paladins? Are y'all ready to continue our adventure to find our puppy? Alright, paladins, so today, well, not yesterday or the day before, I think the day before that, was my little brother's birthday. He's 15 now, I think, and that's pretty cool, you know? Hope y'all having a good Thanksgiving weekend with family and friends and all that kind of good stuff. Let's see. We got to keep finding our puppy, I think. I think we left off at the old lady's house. Oh, yeah, we are here. Okay, let's see. I haven't played any off camera since the last episode. Um, so don't worry, y'all didn't miss anything or nothing. What? What'd she say? Herb woman Bojana. Yeah, that's her name. If I said that right.
It's not usual for her to be gone so long.
Ah, okay.
I hope the ponds don't overflow.
Oh, I can repay her. Cool.
Thank you once again for saving Sir Hans's life. And mine. I promised I'd pay you back, and I keep my word. So please accept this token of gratitude on behalf of me and Sir Hans.
Thank you, Henry. You're an honourable man who doesn't make promises lightly. I'll put it aside for Pavlena.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
since you're
That's right.
here, would you help an old woman with something? It's about Pavlena.
About Pavlina? What do you mean?
Has something happened?
My daughter Pavlena. Remember her? She was here when I was healing you two.
I remember. What's wrong with her?
She's missing. It's not like her to be wandering around like that. She goes to Troskovitz to sell baskets, but she knows I can't manage on my own, so she never stays away for long. These old eyes of mine can't see nothing much. Pavlena has to take care of me. She's a good girl, that lass of mine. I'm very worried about her. You understand? What if something's happened to her? God forbid. I can't look for her myself, but you could. I know I'm asking a lot of you, but I've no one else to turn to.
Alrighty. I'll help you after I find my puppy. Cause I think, guys, I think for this quest, I think you need your puppy for this quest, actually. So yeah, don't worry, we will keep looking for our puppy when I get done here.
All right, good wife. I'll try to find Pavlena for you.
Thank you, Henry. If I was you, I'd ask in Troskovitz. That's where she was heading last time I saw her. And if she arrived, someone must have seen her. And you can look in the hut in her place in the loft. She keeps her things there. My old legs ain't up to climbing stairs, but you might find some clues there.
Okie dokie. Ooh, flowers. Search Pavlena's room. Ask about Pavlena in Troskowitz. If I said that right.
So, Pavlena, what have you left for me? Clothes. If she planned to run away, she'd have taken them with her.
Dude, I'm about to get some pizza rolls, guys. So...
Like she got up and went straight out.
Yeah, this is weird.
Hey, this is a boy's cap. Does Pavlena wear it? Or did someone leave it here?
It's mine now.
She's got unfinished work here.
Right. Huh. Okay. So let me check something real quick, guys. Player main level. Okay. So I was watching a video last night. I think it's either agility or vitality that you can level alongside strength if you're like overweight just by walking around. So that sounds pretty cool, especially for people like me or my brother that like looting stuff to sell or possibly use later. Um, this is level 9. Does it say, oh, you gain experience through stealth and primarily through combat, especially if you use weapons that require higher levels of agility and dodging. Oh. Okay, okay. You gain experience primarily through combat, performing advanced techniques or combos. Okay. And strength is just, that's easy. Okay. Um, wait, let me see. Inventory, do I have any books? I do have some books on me, but none to read. Okay. I'll pick up these flowers real quick. Did y'all just hear that? That was weird. Some weird stuff goes on in these woods. So, one reason why I pick flowers, guys, is because I have a thing called leg day. So every time you bend down to pick up flowers. Can y'all be quiet? I'm talking. Let me just get away from them then. Every time you bend down to pick up a flower, you get a little bit of strength, I believe. Plus, flowers are good for the alchemy bench. Okay. So, oh wait, did I not ask her about?
You're seeing that.
Okay. Let me say I had to look in the loft.
I had a look in Pavlena's place in the loft.
And? Did you find anything?
She's got unfinished
She's
work.
got unfinished work there. She weaves baskets.
Aye, she usually has a few on the go. But she took them to the market in Troskovitz. We've got nothing here but what we make ourselves, or find in the woods. Pavlena weaves baskets very nicely. Folk buy them from her.
Cool. Let's see. She didn't pack any.
She didn't pack up her stuff. I don't think she was planning to be gone for long.
I told you, didn't I? Pavlena wouldn't run off.
I know this is an important matter, guys, but does my helmet look too big for my body? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I need a different helmet, I feel like.
I found a cap there. A man's cap. I don't suppose Pavlena would wear something like that.
You're saying she had some young man here? I'd surely have noticed.
I don't know, good wife. I'm just saying what I found.
Could she have found herself a beau in Troskovitz?
Okay, I don't know.
Have you seen a stray dog around? I thought he was dead, but he's likely still alive.
I'm sorry. I haven't seen any dogs around.
Oh, Sakra. Do you have any idea where else he might have gone?
If I were a dog, I'd go to where there's food. There are plenty of fishermen around the pond, and they're always throwing out leftovers at the tavern.
Do you think he'd go and steal leftover food?
I don't know much about dogs. He could have run into the woods and started hunting. He wouldn't be the first or the last. There's a whole pack of wolves near Samine these days. Maybe your dog's gone feral and is running around with them.
Maybe.
Thanks.
Okay.
It was good to see you, my friend.
Alrighty. It was good to see you too. So she said... What is this? Okay. I don't want to do that right now. I'm gonna stay on track. I want to find my puppy. So there's this up here. That's just up the road. And then this up here. Oh, fisherman. Okay. Alrighty. Let's get on our horsey. My bad. I wonder if we can get there from here. Whoa, that was crazy. My horse tried to drift. Did y'all see that? Let's see. Oh. I'm gonna go to the right. No? Go straight, maybe? Darn, I don't know. Let's see. Am I going the right way? No, I'm not. Go this way, I think. And then go this way. Look at all the boars. Piggies. Pizza rolls. Aha!
Whoa!
Sorry, horsey. Sorry, Pebbles. Sorry. Okay. We're here. I'm good at reading maps. Cool.
I'm telling you, nobody gives a shit about your dribble.
Whoa, whoa.
Good to see you.
Language.
Where I
Language.
want, or son. Enough,
Greetings.
damn it. Now you're gonna get it.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Green versus red.
You can't stand up
Yo,
to this.
You should have
have
fucking
fucking
stayed
stayed
out
out
of
of
it.
it.
Fucking bastard.
Oh,
No, that's enough.
that's more like orange, I guess, or dark.
Come on then.
He's red, that guy over there.
Too slow. Fuck you.
Damn.
Now you'll die.
Green's getting his butt kicked.
Too slow. Send my greetings to the devil. Shit.
Whoa, whoa. Watch out.
You want more?
Oh,
eh?
snap. Yo, brownish orange just kicked his butt.
What the? Why are you lying here?
He just got his butt kicked. You didn't see that,
Do
lady?
you hear me? Wake up!
Yeah, wake up, man.
Oh, I've got to knock this fighting shit off.
Yeah, you do. You suck. You got your butt kicked by an older man that has a limp. Dang. Gotta stop drinking. Alright, back to business, everybody.
I need to keep it clear for real poetry. Right, and you've come up with
Whoa, watch out,
some
lady.
real pearls, haven't you? Too right, I have.
Greetings, my friend.
My dog got lost not far from here. Did you see him by any chance?
I haven't seen any dogs round here for a while, but I hear there's wolves in the forest causing problems. Just the other day, a shepherd boy from Copenina complained that his sheep were being eaten by the flea-ridden beasts.
Where can I find this shepherd?
No.
Siegfried? He has a hut at Copenina. It's just below the castle, on the back slope of the hill.
And you haven't heard anything else about wild dogs?
Here, in the tavern? No. But there was a fella here who gets by doing a bit of poaching. He said once he was hunting when, right in front of him, a large pack attacked a deer. A mix of wolves and dogs, he said. That's not something you see every day.
Do you know where that was?
How would I know where he goes hunting? But I'd say it was in the forest.
Huh. Let's see what you
I'll have a look at
trade.
the wares.
What do you have? Bought and die. Soap, utility, spade. I mean, bandages, spade. Weak savior snaps. Do I have anything that I can sell? Ooh, I do. The trader only has $155. Bruh. Bruh, you suck. Oh, 3 of those. Right. Okay, hear me out. 3 of those. Oh. Shoot. Boiled pork liver. Ugh. A cooked chicken. Yummy. Don't need no torches. I already have some of these. Wait, do I have a head start badge? Yes, I do. Never mind. Let's see. Let's see. This says get 191.8, but he only has 155. So I'm just gonna take that off. Let's try to haggle.
Word about the price.
All right, I'm listening.
Alright, I'm listening. How about 35?
Do we have a deal?
More.
Bah.
I could go for that
45
price.
sounds good.
I hope you'll be satisfied.
Alright, cool.
I'm dedicating my life to unrequited.
And I think that lowers your speech as you haggle.
Michael has gone stark.
So like haggle and go down as far as you can and see where they land. And then if you have the money, just go ahead and meet them halfway. Because you saw my reputation go up. So
Don't be a coward.
yeah. What's this guy saying? I think he wants to play dice. But I don't want to play dice right now. I have a room here. Let's stop in here and see. I have spices, some books that I don't know if I should keep or sell. Yeah. Let me know, guys, if y'all watch this and y'all know anything about this. Should I keep these spices that I found or just sell them? Because I don't really know. actually. Alright, put those up. Let's go. Wait a minute. Let me close my door. I don't want nobody stealing my stuff.
Here it comes!
Okay. So he said some hunters saw some dogs. Okay. Way up here. Darn. I'm gonna go over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast travel. Wee. Well, I'm gonna get ambushed. A camp. Stop and rest. Is there not people here? There is people here. Wait.
Oh, now, good man. You might be interested in some nice wares.
Good day.
Oh. Some nice wares, huh? Let's see.
How's things, goodman?
Lacho Jives Gajo. What would your name be? Folks call me Carol. Have we met before?
They call me Henry of Skalitz, and no, there's little chance we met before.
Koda Chacho, we have not met for sure, but that does not make us strangers now, does it? So what can I offer you?
Okay.
And what's the price?
That depends what you fancy, Gajo. But let me tell you, I do not do anything shady. That sort of business is nothing but trouble.
Alrighty.
If you have anything of interest to sell, I'll buy it.
Koda Chacho, hardly riches, I grant you, but something might take your fancy. And I swear by the Blessed Virgin herself, it's all honestly come by. Avar de dig.
Okay. A worn cumin bow, huh? That sounds cool. But I don't want it. A tall cumin hat. Okay. Embroidered coat, huh? I already have a cool coat. Ooh, horsey stuff. Oh, that gives defense. Really? Defense. Horses designed by Romanian blacksmith called Ferrari. Wow, for real? Ferrari? The rider can expect a generous increase in his horse's speed. Okay. Sounds good to me. He has several stuff. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get these lockpicks. Wait, he has 35. Oh. I want this. I want this. I'll go ahead and get the horseshoe also. What about these? Sure. Is that all he has that I want? Pretty much. So... I want to get those off of me real quick. Let's see. Let's see. Anything I want to sell him? Not really. Darn it, I forgot to put up my blacksmithing stuff. Oh well. haggle.
Word about the price.
Oof. Laches gacho.
Let's go down, say 50.
What would you say to this?
You really won't convince me like this.
Yeah, true. Okay. 210.
That's a
Sure.
decent price.
I hope you'll be satisfied, my friend.
Alrighty. Thank you, good sir. Where was I going? Ah, yes. Right over here. Wee. Let's go talk to this fisherman. Fishermen's usually might have a doggy come through. I was going to say a horse. See all these fishes right here?
Jesus Christ be praised.
You too, good sir.
Since you're always walking around the ponds here, did you notice a stray dog wandering about?
What? A dog? Do you think he came here to poach fish? Now sheep? Well, that would be another story.
And why did you specifically mention sheep?
A while back I heard Siegfried the shepherd complaining about them. Or about the gamekeeper. Or both. Why didn't you go and ask him yourself?
Where will I find that shepherd?
Siegfried? He lives with his sheep not far from here. On the other side of the water, up on the hill, towards the castle.
Thanks. I'll try and ask him. Otherwise,
Alright.
you haven't heard any talk of stray dogs around here, have you?
No, if it doesn't have fins and scales, I'm not interested in it. Though one night I was way down on the southern end of Rock Tower Pond, the big one, of a spot there where I catch catfish. Well, I'm fishing, and all of a sudden I hear howling. Not just any old howling, mind you. There must have been at least 50 of them howling in the woods. A noise like an avalanche. I ran straight home and haven't been back there since.
Such a large pack.
Wow.
See you later, my friend.
So, another person that mentioned the sheep. Oh, look. Can I use this? Launder clothes. Select all. Confirm. Cool. I washed my clothes. Heck yeah. General? Nah. I don't know how to tell. Oh look, see? My scholarship leveled up and I didn't even know it. Nice. So I don't know how to tell, what all these marks mean. Like hand forged, I don't know what that means, and sharp razor, I know what that means, but I don't know what hand forged means. And then on my armor, some of my armor has an up arrow on it. Bootstrapped. Yeah, so I don't know what that means. Let's see. I don't know how to tell, like. Yeah, I don't know, guys. What of what pieces of my armor has that? And I don't know what that means. Huh. Hey, bro. Do you know what boot, the bootstrapped up arrow means on your armor? Dang. Well, that usually means a buff of some kind, so I guess I'll take it, but I don't know what it means, guys. If y'all know in the please let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, let me put my new horseshoe on my horsey. Got you some new horseshoes, horsey. It gives him +5 speed. Nice. Heck yeah. Okay, cool. Well, let's go. I'm gonna fast travel again. Oh, whoops, I'm pressing all the wrong buttons. Sorry, guys. So, they keep pointing me up here to the sheep farm. To the little sheep farm. So, I'm gonna go up there, I guess. Can I not fast travel? It wouldn't let me fast travel yesterday for some reason. Yeah, travel. Okay, let's see. Bam.
Good people.
Nice. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and save right here, guys. For the time being. And I'll try to get another video out. Oh, what's wrong button? I will try to get another video out tomorrow or later today, depending on how things go with chores and life and stuff. But thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all are enjoying this. After we find our puppy, I will get back on track with main story stuff. I promise. Hope y'all have a good day. God bless. Have a good time. Spend some time with your family. Give them a hug. Tell them you love them if you love them, you know. Stuff like that. Bye-bye. Talk to y'all later. Remember, paladins, be a light in the darkness. Bye-bye.